gotta feed my meter. Could you hold my dog for one moment? It won't... Why don't you hold my puppy for a moment? I gotta feed the meter, and I can't put her down, or she'll get upset. Just 2 seconds, please. Just hold her. 1 second. Just hold her. Could you watch my puppy while I run in and get a cup of coffee? I can't take her inside. Thank you.
What the f*** is that?